far, as Radhika is also pointing out. In fact, an FIR has been registered against 10 people under relevant sections of the IPC.
All right, let's
further probe is underway.
on.
Shifting our focus to more breaking news coming in. This is with regards to the Supreme Court hearing the Shinde camp's counter affidavit.
So this is coming across as Shinde camp that had filed a counter affidavit, and the Uddhav camp has also filed a rejoinder. Kapil Sibal, who is appearing for the Uddhav Thackeray camp, saying that there is no protection for disqualification. This is coming at a time when in June, many of those leaders from the Uddhav camp had defected and had moved to the Shinde camp. SALVE is appearing for the Shinde camp. Now, anti-defection law is not a weapon for the leaders who have lost numbers to lock their members. This is what is now being claimed by SALVE, who's representing the Shinde camp. They're saying that when it comes to the majority of the numbers, that is under the leadership of Eknath Shinde and Uddhav Thackeray. Losing majority of those members who used to be supporting him cannot now be vouching on the anti-defection law to take place, or disqualification he cannot seek of those MLAs who sided with Eknath Shinde.
Now, the top court is of course hearing a bunch of petitions related to the formation of the Eknath Shinde BJP government, also with regards to the disqualification of rebel MLAs, and lastly the right over the bow and arrow symbol. So yes, more details coming in with regards to the ongoing arguments, and yes, SALVE appearing for Shinde camp saying anti-defection law is not a weapon for the leaders who have lost numbers to lock their members. The basic premise of anti-defection law is when you leave your political party, nobody has found any disqualification. Radhika continues to stay on with us. Radhika, arguments and counter arguments being presented before the court as we speak. But yes, as far as the Uddhav camp is concerned, once again they're raising questions on the very premises on how, despite the two-third majority, if there was no merger with the BJP, how does disqualification stand invalid?
Absolutely, which is what, Kapil Sibal appearing for Uddhav camp, even Sibal had pointed out that if rebels have two-thirds of the party, they either need to merge with another party or form a new party to avoid disqualification. So disqualification, defection is what is being argued at the moment. Clearly Uddhav camp reiterating that, if they have, if the rebels have two-thirds of the party, they either need to merge with BJP or they need to form another party. They cannot just break away and say that they are the real Sena. So therefore the anti-defection law really applies, is what Kapil Sibal here is stating. Of course, CJ also in a sense has agreed to Sibal's argument, saying that there is no dispute to this. Sibal going on to say there was a split. Those who split had to be given separate seats. Those who remained are the original. So Sibal thereby, who is representing the Uddhav camp, thereby stating that those who remained with Sena and those who didn't break away, those who didn't rebel, should be called the real Sena, and those who rebelled ideally should form, should merge with another party, should form another party, merge with the BJP. Otherwise, they are bound to be disqualified. So these are the arguments made by the Uddhav camp.
So matter still is being taken up. We'll continuously get our viewers live updates on that. Radhika, stay on with us. Let's get you another breaking update. This also coming from Maharashtra related. What we are getting to know the picture